Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we will register a service worker. In the last video we have set up the manifest.json file. Now what this manifest.json file do? So it tells our website say that this website is an app to the browser. Okay, but what about the service worker? The service worker is the last piece of the puzzle. The piece that will take our plain old website that give it superpower like a loading offline. Now, the service worker is a JavaScript worker that sits between your application and the network. Now with the help of this we can do like we are able to have full control over how our application behaves in any network situation. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's create an empty service worker and register it. So what we need to do, create a service worker.json file. So in the root folder we have created azure.js file. We have done with this. Now for time being, let's make it empty only. And in the app.js, what we have to do, we have to add this code. Into that listener. So this is a function, and let's define this function. What does it do? So this function is nothing but async function register service worker. I will explain line by line what is it. So we are using an async function for registering the service worker for easier to read code. In the second layer, what we are doing, we are ensuring that the browser supports the service worker before trying to register one. And next, we are registering the service worker with navigator.serviceworker.register. Now then we are getting the let the user know if things fails by alerting this service worker registration failed. Sorry about that. And for this video we are done with this. I will put the code in the description, and you can do the same thing, and your website will also will be registered. Now I will show in the browser what is happening. Go to the browser, inspect, go to the application, and this is service worker. Okay, so by default it is off, and if you click on this, it will update on reload. That means whenever we do any update, it will automatically reload, and we can see that these are the service worker we have registered. Now in the next video we will do some functionalities so that our app will be available offline. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.